Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. I couldn't even press the record button after putting my outfit on because I am so shook with this wig. As you can see, a complete transformation. First of all, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more hair tutorials, more vlogs, more chit chat, get ready with me's, all of that above. That's what we do in this channel. You can see I'm going to be showing you this bomb wig that I got from Freetress.com. Absolutely love. This is one of my favorite online hair stores. To me, it's so convenient for you to just click on the website, click exactly what you want, put it in your cart, and it show up to your doorstep. So I love that. Instead of just going out to different hair stores and then you can't find what you want, so you got to drive all the way to another one. It completely cuts out all of that. This wig that I have in is the Freetress Valentino Wig. It has 5 inches of lace parting. I think that's one of my favorite things about this wig is the 5 inches of lace parting. As you can see, the parting area didn't have to be tweezed at all. One of those type of people that like my parting area to be really thick. So I'm one of the thin type of parting areas type people. So to me, this is perfectly fine. To some people, they would probably want to use tweezers and pluck it a little bit more, but as you can see, it is a very deep parting area and it gives you lots of space. So to me, when it's done this way, it looks a little bit more natural, because when I put this thing on, honey, you can tell me this wasn't a closure wig that somebody just made for me, and they colored it and they made it fit just for me, because that's what it looks like to me. That literally took 2 minutes. I don't even know if I'll need to add any powder to the parting area. Like, look at it. I'm shook. This is so pretty. And I didn't even have to comb any of the hair out. Oh my. Shook. Shook, 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 shook. Your girl is shook. Freetress. Y'all did that. Y'all. This wig is everything. Okay, so let's get into the wig. The color of this wig, they have so many different colors that you can choose from. The color that I have is the FF Hot Chocolate. I'm assuming that the CHOCO is chocolate. Let me not assume. So that's what the actual color is. I'm going to put it up on the screen, and of course everything is going to be down in the information box below. This is a synthetic wig, but this does look like this is part of one of their luxury lines, because as you know, Freetress make crochet hair. They make a lot of different wigs. They do make a lot of different things, and they're sold mainly inside of our hair stores. So it does say that you can wash this hair. I will not be washing this hair. Never really had to wash any of my synthetic wigs, so not sure how that goes, but they do leave hair care instructions inside of the box if you did need that. But one thing that I know is once I start seeing my wigs get a little, you know, like sometimes when you get synthetic wigs, they have a little bit of shine to it. I will use some dry shampoo, and I'm going to use the dry shampoo that I use. I'm going to pop it into this video. Absolutely love this dry shampoo. Not sure if Freetress.com sells it, but you are always welcome to go and see if they do sell it. But that dry shampoo definitely helps with the shine of hair. As you can see, I did not have that issue with this hair. I'm telling y'all, it's hard to believe that this isn't a virgin hair wig that I got from these people that be selling these wigs for $200, $300. The original price for this wig on their website was $64. I believe it was $63 and some change. Right now, Freetress has this hair at $23 and some change. So that means that this is less than $25 for this slay. Y'all better go grab this wig so y'all can slay. Oh, y'all better go get y'all one of these wigs, because I definitely think that I'm going to be taking this wig to Miami. As you can see, I'm going to insert some clips in. I pretty much just threw this bad boy on. I have braids going straight back. I did have my edges swooped a little bit, so as you can see, there's a little swoop in the middle where the parting area is. To lay my edges down, I did use Got To Be glue, styling gel, and I also use some edge control. I can't remember what type of edge control I used. To be honest, all of the edge controls pretty much work the same to me, so I don't think it really matters. This is big head friendly if you undo the actual elastic bands. So to me, I don't have the elastic bands inside of the band area. I kind of took them apart and I just have the wig sitting on my head, and it fits perfectly. Literally took me 2 minutes to put this on. 2 minutes and I'm good and gone. And to be honest, for $23, I can go get about 7 of these and be good to go. You see, for the parting area, I did have to go and put some concealer down the parting area. I kind of was nervous about putting the concealer because I didn't want to mess it up. Like, I'm like, oh, should I do this or should I not do it? But I went ahead and I used, so of course my makeup is already done, so I just got done using my brushes. The brush that I use for under my brows, I went ahead and used the residue that was left on that brush, and I just kind of took it through the line of the parting area. And then after doing that, I went ahead and used a Q-tip and kind of just like smeared it out in the middle so you can give it a more cleaner look and it doesn't look too harsh. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did, and this is the look that I got. I am teaming up with TheKeyismetv, and we're going to be doing a giveaway. The giveaway winner will be contacted by TheKeyismetv. I'm going to submit the information to them, and then from there they're going to mail you your gift. And the gift, of course, is this wig. So yes, you can win this wig right now. Rules of the giveaway is, of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel. That's just easy. Rule number 1, subscribe to TheKeyisME. Rule number 2 is to go ahead and like this video. Like this video and comment down in the description box. So that's rule number 3, is to comment down in the description box anything that you want to say, like pretty much anything you want to say. Also in the comment section, leave your Instagram name. Rule number 4 was to, if you go and follow me on Instagram, my name is at @TheKeyisMe_. So rule number 4 is to follow me on Instagram, but of course in the comment section you have to put your Instagram name in the comment section. And then rule number 5 is going to be to follow divatress.com on Instagram. So there's 5 rules to this giveaway. I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box because I know I'm rambling and I'm going on and on. And that is going to conclude this video. If y'all like this shirt, I absolutely love this vibe of this shirt. As you can see, it's like a long ruffle sleeve, and then it has a, oh, excuse my arms, it has off the shoulder on this side, doesn't have a sleeve over here, and it buttons right here, and then it ties all the way down at the bottom. Absolutely love it. So cute and so different. I got this from Shein.com. It's the outlet portion of Shein. I also have a video. I'm going to tag that video to this video. I have a try on haul video where I did purchase this shirt in that try on haul video, and I did link the actual link in that video. So if you would like to purchase this shirt or you want to know where I got it from, it's going to be in that video. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.